video, you'll learn how to draw a thick border around a grid cell that has focus. There are two different approaches for accomplishing this. The first solution is to handle the custom draw cell event of the extra grid and fully repaint the cell. The downside to this is that it will require more code and effort to redraw and repaint the in-place editor as well. The second solution is to inherit the XPaint class and override its draw focus rectangle method. XPaint is a static object which contains basic painting routines used by many DevExpress components. For this scenario, this is the simplest solution and can be implemented with just a few lines of code. So let's get started. Starting from a new WinForms application, I drop a grid control onto the form and dock it to its parent. I bind the grid to a data source by invoking its smart tag and clicking the Add Project Data Source link. I'll use an existing connection string for the Northwind sample database. I click Next and select the orders table that will supply data to the grid. Finally, I click Finish to complete the wizard. I run the Grids Designer and switch to the Columns page. I highlight and remove the unnecessary columns. I close the designer and return to Visual Studio. Now I'm going to add some code to draw a thick border around the focused cell. I switch to Code View. First, I'm going to add references to the system.reflection and devexpress.utils.paint namespaces. Next, I'll add the myXpaint class to the form1.cs file. This class inherits the XPaint class and overrides its drawFocus rectangle method. The code in this method draws the thick border. Finally, in the Forms Load event, I add the following code to use my new myXpaint class when painting the fields. Keep in mind that while we're drawing a thick border around a focus cell, the border will still be 1 pixel wide when an in-place editor is activated. This is because all in-place editors reserve only 1 pixel for the focus rectangle. And that's it. I run the application to see the results. I can select a cell, and a thick border is drawn around it. Thanks for watching, and of course, thank you for choosing DevExpress.